sanded these down. These are the crossbars that go from the top of the roll bar down into the bed, and I am going to repaint them red so that they good. All right, guys, let's get back on making this thing look beautiful. I painted it. I'm waiting for the paint to dry on those back bars, and this grill is all rusty, so I want to take it out and paint it, make it look better. In order to do that, we need to take this cover, this whole nose piece off, and I think I want to take this off too. There's no winch in here, but this thing is real rusty and crappy looking. I'm going to take that off, and I have a replacement for it. It's not going to cost anything, so let's get to it. Alright, there we go. It's off. Now I gotta take these Phillips heads out of here, and then we can get the grill off. Alright, so it's not flat. It's got a lot of dents in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not really flat. So I'm gonna try to flatten it out on the cement floor here. Just a ball peen hammer. Try to get it flat, get the dents out of it. Now we can just give it a quick sanding, coat of black gloss paint. Good as new. I'm going to take this outside, get the hose on it, clean all this dirt and debris. Alright guys, I took the fenders off because the fenders were covering some of the stickers here, and I'm taking all the graphics off because they look terrible. They're all flaking, front, back. I'm taking them all off, and I think I'm going to put a new graphics kit on here, and I'm not sure exactly what that's going to look like yet, but as soon as I find one that I like, I'll buy it and I'm going to put it on here. And I also think I'm going to paint the doors black, but I'm not 100% sure yet. A little bit of heat and they come right off. Alright, now I'm going to hit it with a little bit of McGuire's glazing compound here. See if I can get some of this stuff off. I know it's plastic, but it might take some of it off. Make it look a little better anyway. Oh, it does look a little better. It is pretty clean now. Yeah, you guys give me a closer look. Not a professional body job, but that looks 10 times better. It looks better than them crappy stickers. And like I said, I'm probably going to put another graphics kit on this because, I don't know, I think it looks better than plain. These doors look like crap. I'm definitely going to paint them black. I think I want to have the nose white, the doors in the back black, and that's just the way it's going to be. Alright, so I've been working on this for a couple hours now. This is the last graphics that I haven't taken off yet, that I wanted you to see before and after. So that's what it looks like on this side. I already took the graphics off the front fender. I cleaned the hood, compounded it. Looks really good. Nice and bright white now and shiny. Same as on the side. But if you look down here, look how much better that looks now without all those peeling graphics. Much better. Alright, quick paint job on the front frame here. Just to get rid of some of the rust. Give it a little bit of a sanding, a quick coat of black paint, and it looks as good as new. Also, I put tire shine on the wheel. I was going to paint the wheels, but they look pretty good with the tire shine on there. So I'm not going to bother painting. I think they look perfectly fine like that. Alright guys, I put a new fur leaf on there. I pulled this little rusty piece of crap off that was on there. And this was left over from when I just did the winch in the last video series. If you remember, Eddie was here and he upgraded to a bigger winch and bigger plate, and he wanted to be able to loop his synthetic cable around it. Anyway, already putting it to use. Looks much better. Oh, and I had to run to Home Depot and get bolts and nuts. And you guys can see the trash barrel over. I got metric 10 mil, and I spent about $50 on nuts and bolts and paint today. Alright, the front's back together. I painted the grill. The grill looks good. Put all this back in, cleaned it. It looks so much better with all the crappy looking decals on it. I mean, I got the decals off the back now all the way around. The back still looks terrible. The doors look terrible. These doors are going to get painted on, without a doubt. And yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. Looks real good. I touched up a lot of the stuff down there with black paint. And fur leaves in there. It's got all the hookups for a winch. It just doesn't have a winch. Maybe I'll put one in. I don't know. This wheel's all cleaned up. I did compound this. That's why it looks so bright. It looks good. I did it by hand. But it's coming along. Just gotta get the rest of it to look as good. I still have to do the brakes in the back. I haven't got around to that yet. I kind of got sidetracked a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys the progress so far. It's starting to look good. Just to give you an idea, there's 2 more spots here where these body pins right here are missing. So I'm gonna actually show. I've done this multiple times on this, but I haven't actually showed it. So pretty simple. Just grab your body pin, put it in the hole, done. And like I said, I buy these things by the 50 because I use them on absolutely everything. They're the same pins that all the ATVs use, UTVs. They're just so nice to have. And that's the brand name again. All right, guys. So I just want to show you real quick. You can see the overspray, that white overspray, because somebody painted the doors while they were still on this instead of taking them off. So what I'm going to do is I tried getting it off on the other side and I couldn't do it. So I ended up just spraying the area with black paint. You don't really see it because the door covers it, but I don't want to see any of that white because somebody, you know, you might see it and it just looks terrible. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to do it real easy. I'm just going to grab a piece of cardboard like this, and I'm just going to kind of hold it, give it a little bit of a spray, but I'm also going to I'm going to tape the outside here so nothing gets on it. All right, just a quick touch up just to get the white off. Like I said, I'm not trying to restore it here. I just want to get rid of that white paint. So we'll let that dry, and we should be in good shape. All right, guys, I just want to show you that I've been sitting here for about a half an hour. I went online and I looked at the manual for this radio. This is a pretty nice radio. This is SSV Works, and it's made for Polaris, specifically for Polaris, and it's Bluetooth. And I did figure it out. And just so you guys know, I'm gonna play a little Pandora. And it's the door is lighting my fire, and I'm going to hit play right now. I'm not going to play it for too long because of copyright reasons, but pretty cool. It does work, and that's awesome. Hey guys, you got the B-roll footage, and it's all done. It's great. Let's see, put the headlights on. You guys can see those. Everything looks great on this thing. Tail lights work, brake lights work. Everything's done. You got the horn. Everything works. Oil's changed. Everything's done. Pretty nice machine. Pretty nice machine. Somebody's gonna get a good one. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching the series. It was a pretty fun one. First time I'd ever done a Polaris on the channel. And I'm pretty sure it won't be the last one because they're not too difficult to work on. Parts are readily available and at fair prices, so to speak. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more on this, for more coming from the channel. I got some work I got to do on my F-150, and that'll be some future videos. So hopefully you guys will like that content, and you'll tune in for it. Other than that, I want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, tell your friends, tell everybody. I posted this on Marketplace 2 days ago, and somebody's supposed to come today. Quick update, guys. The Razor has sold. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video series.